Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is a foot pedal, high pressure foot pedal system. So at the moment in time there's no trigger inside there, but what you do is put your foot inside that area there to control it. Yeah. What we'll simply do is show you how to set it all up and so on. So in this side here, this side we've got a little screw that we'll undo and we'll take the screw out of place. Lift it up and we're taking this part out. Now if we look inside here, you will see that when I press down inside there, this moves up and down. Okay, so when I normally do this, we use a swivel gun. This reason being, you don't want to be fighting with that hose, so the quick release going into the high pressure trigger side, and what you simply do is slot that in place into the actual foot pedal itself. We also put a screw fitting, so this is 3/8 going in with a swivel. We've then got quarter coming out, so I also make it so it angles down, which you'll see in a minute or two. This drops back in place, screw back in place, and we also then have this down at this side here, so it's facing downwards. You can have it that way as well, but like I say, I don't like it coming up and then dropping down. You're better off having it on an angle. We've then got the trigger inside. Now the trigger that's inside there at the moment is an ST540 trigger. Very strong and sturdy. There's no point having a low trigger force trigger inside, like I say, because it's your foot that's on there. It wants to be a good quality gun. Swivel 3/8 going in, so your high pressure hose would come into here, and you then go off to your job at this side here. And that is the foot pedal system. Very easy. Using your normal gun, can slot inside there if you need to. If you needed to, you can put screw fittings on there, so you can just change that over at any stage. So, but like I say, the most important part is getting the hose to come down so it's laying on the floor as you're working with it, and then going to the job. And same again at this side. Quick and easy. Take it back out of place. And like I say, so as that's working, what's simply happening, that's pressing against the trigger. And like I say, you've got the ST540 in there, which is a good quality gun. No point getting some low trigger force system. This is adequate to do the job. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.